Are you looking for foods that kill cancer cells in the body? If yes, then you are at the right place. Over the past 2 decades, doctors have noticed a sharp rise in cancer cases among persons under 50, and they believe this could be a sign of an emerging pandemic. By far, the biggest risk factor for most cancers is simply getting older. More than 3/4 of all people diagnosed with cancer in the UK are 60 and over. And this is because cancer is a disease of our genes. The longer we live, the more time we have for our genes to get mutated and build up in a cancerous cell. Along with genetics, poor diet, alcohol and tobacco use, physical inactivity and obesity also plays a major role in developing cancer. Among different types of cancer, most are related to the digestive system. Dietary risk factors such as diet high in red meat, low in fruits, high in sodium, and low in milk are the main risk factors underlying early-onset cancers. Aggressive systemic treatment of metastatic cancer has evolved over time. For decades, it primarily involved chemotherapy, as well as hormone treatments for cancers like breast and prostate, but now includes a growing number of targeted therapies and immunotherapy. Cancer cells undergo mechanical stress when they move through the body, which could contribute to deadly metastases, a discovery that may have implications for possible new treatment approaches. A lot of people are unaware that what they eat can significantly affect their cancer risk. According to the latest research, eating a diet high in animal fats and processed meat increased the risk for colorectal cancer by 44%. On the other hand, eating fruits, vegetables, and low-fat dairy products may lower the risk of developing cancer. In this video, we will be exploring different miracle foods that may lower the chances of developing this disease. Disclaimer: always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new diet or exercise program or using any home remedy. 1. Carrots. Carrots are not just for Bugs Bunny. Several studies have found that eating more carrots is linked to a decreased risk of certain types of cancer. For example, an analysis looked at the results of 5 studies and concluded that eating carrots may reduce the risk of stomach cancer by up to 26%. Another study found that a higher intake of carrots was associated with 18% lower odds of developing prostate cancer. It is found that current smokers who did not eat carrots were 3 times as likely to develop lung cancer, compared to those who ate carrots more than once per week. Try incorporating carrots into your diet as a healthy snack or delicious side dish just a few times per week to increase your intake and potentially reduce your risk of cancer. 2. Nuts. Research has found that eating nuts may be linked to a lower risk of certain types of cancer. For instance, a study looked at the diets of 19,386 people and found that eating a greater amount of nuts was associated with a decreased risk of dying from cancer. Eating nuts regularly is associated with a decreased risk of colorectal, pancreatic, and endometrial cancers. Specific types of nuts may be linked to a lower cancer risk. For example, Brazil nuts are high in selenium, which may help protect against lung cancer in those with a low selenium status. Similarly, walnuts are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce cancer risks. Omega-3s may help prevent tumor growth in breast cancer patients undergoing radiation therapy and chemotherapy treatment. Omega-3s also protect cells from damage that can lead to cancer development. A study showed that eating walnuts decreases the growth rate of breast cancer cells by 80% and reduced the number of tumors by 60%. These results suggest that adding a serving of nuts to your diet each day may reduce your risk of developing cancer in the future. 3. Seeds. Chia and flax seeds are 2 of the richest in nutrient seeds worldwide. They contain fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and a variety of essential minerals. Chia is rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is a type of omega-3 fatty acid that gives it the potential to act as a cancer-fighting food. A study published in the Journal of Molecular Biochemistry found that ALA helped limit the growth of both breast and cervical cancer cells. Researchers also found that it caused cell death of the cancer cells without harming the normal healthy cells in the body. Furthermore, hemp seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sesame seeds are also packed with healthful fatty acids. Their nutritional benefits are optimum when sprouted, and they can be simply used in smoothies, baked products, and yogurt. 4. Grapes. Grapes contain a high concentration of the antioxidant resveratrol. According to research, resveratrol has the potential to prevent cancer from developing in the breast, liver, stomach, and lymphatic system. Resveratrol and a wide variety of phytocompounds found in grapes are likely to help the fruit play a role in the diet to reduce cancer risk. Some scientists believe that, with further research, it could be harnessed as a cancer therapy. Beside resveratrol, grapes and grape seeds also contain nutrients like flavonols, phenolic acids, anthocyanins in red and purple grapes, catechins, proanthocyanidins, and other tannins which have antioxidant and possibly cancer-fighting properties. The grape's skin has the most antioxidants, so be sure to leave the grape intact. 5. Broccoli. The use of natural bioactive constituents from various food sources for anti-cancer purposes has become increasingly popular worldwide. Broccoli is on the top of the consumed vegetables by the masses. Its raw matrix contains a plethora of phytochemicals, such as glucosinolates and phenolic compounds, along with rich amounts of vitamins and minerals. Consumption of broccoli-derived phytochemicals provides strong antioxidant effects, particularly due to its sulforaphane content, which is a cancer-fighting plant compound that has been linked to reducing the risks of prostate cancer, breast cancer, colon cancer, and oral cancers. Sulforaphane is also found in other vegetables such as kale, cabbage, and garden cress and cauliflower. Including broccoli with a few meals per week may come with some cancer-fighting benefits. 6. Fatty fish. Majority of people are afraid of eating fatty fish because they don't want to gain weight, despite the fact that it has many advantages in preventing cancer. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and anchovies, are high in essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin B, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Supplementing with omega-3 fatty acids may help prevent cancer and lessen the side effects of treatments like chemotherapy, according to the available evidence. In chemotherapy-treated cancer patients, omega-3 fatty acids have been found to maintain muscle strength and function and to help lessen the inflammatory response brought on by the toxicity of the medication. 7. Spices and herbs. Cancer is a dreadful disease that can strike anyone. Taking care of your body and eating a healthy diet are important, however. Using some herbs and spices are also effective ways to prevent cancer. One of the popular spices, turmeric, is well known for its health-promoting properties. Curcumin, its active ingredient, is a chemical with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and even anti-cancer effects. Curcumin has also been shown to be effective in slowing the growth of lung, breast, and prostate cancer cells. Some common herbs that help in preventing cancer includes oregano, thyme, dill, sage, and rosemary. Simply add 1/3 g of turmeric in your daily diet. Use it as a ground spice to add flavor to foods or pair it with black pepper to help boost its absorption. 8. Berries. Berries are high in anthocyanins and plant pigments that have antioxidant properties and may be associated with a reduced risk of cancer. Strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries have been shown to help prevent cancers of the skin, bladder, lung, and breast, largely because of their ellagic acid content. All are high in antioxidants, but the anthocyanosides in blueberries are the most powerful known in science. Blueberries are rich in cancer-fighting phytonutrients and antioxidants. They contain an antioxidant called ellagic acid, which helps in reducing inflammation and inhibit tumor growth. Ellagic acid also helps in neutralizing free radicals, which can damage cells, and DNA. They are also enriched in vitamin C and K, manganese, and dietary fibers, which can help lower cancer risk. These berries help reduce mouth, ovarian, liver, prostate, lung, and skin cancer. To get the anti-cancer benefits of blueberries, take half or 1 cup of frozen blueberries daily. 9. Garlic. Many people are unaware of the numerous health benefits of garlic, which includes preventing cancer. Garlic is the most potent food that kills cancer cells very effectively. Garlic comes with components such as sulfur, arginine, and selenium. These components are known very well to reduce the risk of cancer. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to kill cancer cells. Studies have found that eating more garlic could lead to decreased risks of stomach, prostate, and colorectal cancers. If you can consume garlic regularly, you can slow down the progression of various types of cancer cells in your body. So what are you waiting for? Start eating garlic regularly to prevent cancer from going in your body. 10. Olive oil. Olive oil is packed with health benefits, so it's not surprising that it's an integral part of the Mediterranean diet. Many studies showed that olive oil provides several benefits for patients suffering from cancer because it contains oleocanthal, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. These anti-inflammatory responses are linked to tumor suppression and cell death, both crucial in fighting against cancer cells. Several studies have found that consuming more olive oil may be connected with a lower risk of certain types of cancer. 11. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the anti-cancer superfoods as they contain lycopene and are high in antioxidants, which fight cancer-causing free radicals in the body. Lycopene is a compound found in tomatoes that is responsible for its vibrant red color as well as its anti-cancer properties. It has been shown to kill mouth cancer cells and has been associated to a lower risk of breast, prostate, pancreas, and colorectal cancer. Include a serving or two of tomatoes in your diet each day to help improve your intake to prevent cancer by adding them to sandwiches, salads, sauces, or pasta dishes. Your diet's quality is undoubtedly linked to your general health and ability to prevent cancer. Reduce your toxin consumption. Assist the body's cleansing and detoxifying processes. Get adequate vitamin D. Update your water and consume unprocessed, nutrient-rich foods, in addition to cancer-fighting foods.